Where's the rest of the crew? These cages we're in weren't built till after we got here.
No, now I'm
Marty, set yourself up so you can get there in about 1,000, 2, 1,000. You can get there sooner. Yes, sir.
When everybody's clear, we'll take her up. Okay, let's get clear. We're done.
I need to...
What?
They called me to
You have a good time off?
Come on.
Huh? Is this actually just really swinging?
Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No, it isn't.
Oh, yeah. The new ride at Disneyland.
So there isn't like a control thing on this like yes?
We're not quite sure what's going to happen.
tested it yet. We don't know.
Make sure you guys have got a foothold, because when we swing up the other way, you might slide back down. Yeah.
Happy birthday!
We're going on the bone cage ride.
We're ready now.
That's right.
We got about a 4-foot lead or 5-foot lead until it's going to snap.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, let's shoot.
Here we go.
Here, I'm gonna.
Roll sound.
53, Papa 1.
You got speed?
Rolling. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
That was great.
That was brilliant.
All right, we're resetting. One more time, please.
Now,
Hey, Gio, I want to get Gibbs' face. Gibbs said never makes the... See it again? Say Gibbs never... Let me see that one. All right, let's try that again.
All right?
I was feeling a little sick on the way to work, so that's really my excuse for puking. Sorry, Gore.
3,
Yeah, no laughing.
1, go!
All the way to one side.
Cut.
We cut.
Fantastic.
Cut.
Delicious.
Who is that on my left?
Center our picture their way.